I can see clearer now, not as many obstacles in my way. There's still rainfall, but every day is brighter, a brand new day. I've been praying and searching for a miracle all this time, only to realize it's not even my rainfall to decide. We live a life of status quo, trying on our own to figure it all out. But God has planned more for us. If we learn to walk through the rain and our doubt, it's lonely being where you're not supposed to be, moving in slow mode. So take inventory often and be open to seeing beyond the winding road. There's less of a downpour, and I'm thankful for that. I'm finally set apart, differentiated. I'm even glad what God had planned I could never have imagined. If only I'd walked in the rain sooner, what would have happened? We live a life of status quo, trying on our own to figure it all out. But God has planned more for us. If we learn to walk through the rain in our doubt, it's lonely being where you're not supposed to be, moving in slow mode. So take inventory often and be open to seeing beyond the winding road. As we follow the path to the road less traveled, it's a long journey in the same direction that we all battle. The secret to maturity is to walk in the rain and endure with a good attitude. Maybe then we stop praying for the problem to go away, but still thank God with gratitude. We live a life of status quo, trying on our own to figure it all out. But God has planned more for us. If we learn to walk through the rain in our doubt, it's lonely being where you're not supposed to be, moving in slow mode. So take inventory often and be open to seeing beyond the winding road. I can see clearer now, not as many obstacles in my way. There's still rainfall, but every day is brighter, a brand